Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Quran Time with Nuria, where we explore the Quran and the interesting stories inside the marvelous book. The first part of the Quran covers Surah Al-Fatiha and parts of Surah Al-Baqarah. In the beginning of his book, Allah describes the three types of human beings. A human can either be a believer, a hypocrite, or an infidel. While believers have faith in Allah, pray namaz, spend in the way of Allah, and believe in the day of judgment, hypocrites and infidels mock Allah's commandments and are liars, manipulators, ignorant and misguided. And Allah states that the hearts and ears of the disbelievers will be sealed and their eyes will be covered forever. You may have also noticed that many surahs such as Surah Al-Baqarah have a few syllables as their first words. These syllables have deep meaning, which scholars study for years and years in order to understand, but even then, many fail to do so. Allah has included these syllables in order to remind human beings that no one in the whole universe can create a book similar to Allah's. Prophet Adam's story is also mentioned in this part of the Quran. Before the universe was created, there was only Allah. Then one day Allah made the mountains and the seas. He made all the animals. He made the heavens and the stars. He made the sun and the moon. And He made the angels. Then Allah decided to make a man. He called this first man Adam. He taught him many things so that Adam had more knowledge than the angels. There was one jinn called Iblis, and he thought he was better than Adam and did not prostrate to him. For this disobedience, Allah expelled him from the heavens. He was to be called Shaitan, the devil. Shaitan blamed Adam for what had happened to him and was very angry. Allah let Adam and Hawa live in a beautiful place which was like a paradise. There was a special tree, and Allah had told them they must not eat any fruit from that tree. At first, Adam and Hawa were very good and kept away from the tree, but Shaitan tricked them into eating the fruit. Shaitan was very happy because he had made them disobey Allah. As soon as they had eaten the fruit, Adam and Hawa were filled with shame and guilt. Allah forgave them, but He wouldn't let them stay in paradise anymore. So He sent them to live on earth. In this part of the Quran, Allah also mentions how His favorite group of people, the Bani Israel, who were once pious and good, started to commit terrible sins and were extremely ungrateful to Allah. And so Allah cursed them and took away all their blessings. Surah Al-Baqarah describes how Prophet Ibrahim and his son built the Kaaba by the command of Allah and requested Allah to accept it, and then they asked for forgiveness. They also prayed for the arrival of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as Allah's messenger in Mecca, which came true many years later.